Well, if you as interested as I am of what's going on in this video right now, it's night time. The wind is blowing. We're going to be installing this wheel spacers. And we got lug nuts, Shane. Oh God, these is heavy. Straight off eBay. Onto this Suburban on a windy, rainy day. It's been raining. You see the ground's wet. Let's open this up. Oh, is it black chrome? Black aluminum? Or what is these? What? Don't cut yourself. Okay. Okay, I see. They get a 5 lug and a thing. And this is a set of 2. What we're gonna do about the back? There's another one in the box. I knew that. What is these? These is Titan wheel accessories. They look extremely good. That's for sure. These are double wheel spacers. You get a double wheel spacer when you convert anything from 5 lug to 6 lug. Sometimes double wheel spacers is the same with 5 lug to 4 lug. 4 lug to 5 lug, you usually don't have the double spacers, or you know, a 5 lug adapter to another 5 lug adapter. Just the spacing of the studs, you know. We ain't been fancy here. It's the middle of the night, and the part number. So let's go ahead. We got an impact. Spin these off faster. Yep, this is a Harbor Freight jack. If you're interested, they Daytonas and they on sale right now. Because we just came from Harbor Freight in a windstorm, and trees blowing across highways and power lines down. It was sketchy. That made twice we went to Harbor Freight during storms. I don't know why, but we planned Harbor Freight and the storm comes. Now I'm going to brighten this video up as much as I can, and we're going to put light on these as good as we can, so you can see what we're doing here. Before we get any further, do you think it's fit? Yeah, Shane. Oh, this for the people. Show them what we got. Oops, about lost the limb. Do you think this is gonna fit? Comment section below now and let us know. Now, if you come to this section, you got your thing up here and it's coming off. That's because you got to remove these torque head bits right here from this plate in order to get back here and bolt this first section on. But once you do that, you can put these torque bits back in, torque them down to the recommended spec of your bracket, because over tightening can crack it and too loose can make it come off during you know, driving. So make sure you torque these to specs. But other than that, it's very simple. We're gonna go ahead and torque bit these off. You got a torque bit, Shane?
No.
Oh God.
That's Allen head, sir.
That's Allen head?
Yeah, it's not torques.
Oh well, my mistake. No need to leave a comment. To the garage. Oh, 10's bending somewhere. Here we go. What we got is 8mm. You see it? And you can see this is how it sets. Now you will have to use flush mount lug nuts. Sometimes you can just very grind the head level, but you need to use flush mount lug nuts, because what's the other end over that? Oh, on the tire. The inside of these has got the stud, and you know it will hit, so you want to make sure it fits pretty good. So we're using the stock lug nuts to this Chevrolet. Okay. We're going to have a thin lug.
Thin wall socket, that's what we need.
Yep.
That's super thin though.
A very thin wall socket. So the kit comes with these, what is this, 14 by 1.5 bolt heads, and I think they're supposed to go in the place of the lug nuts. So we're just going to use these here and these on the rims. If I thread onto the part up here, and they do, we good? Huh?
Tie rod looks so good.
That tie rod?
Yeah.
My tire rod's seen better days a little. I think you just need grease, you'll be fine. That's got enough 50,000 miles in it. That fits much better, don't it? Now to check your torque specs on this, get somebody to hold the brake, and then you can torque them, because if you don't, the wheel's going to spin on you. Now, once you get them tight and torqued down and checked, you can take and start your Allen head bolts. Now, sometimes they require a little Loctite, sometimes they don't. It just depends on your manufacturer. These was used, weren't they, Shane?
Mm-hmm.
And they was around $100. And they look brand new, but they do got a little scuff in here and all, but you can't complain with that. They look good. Well, this one does anyway. It's starting yet? We might not have them lined up right. Woo! We got it. Making progress in a windstorm. Anyway. Now, on these, do not over tighten them. They are going into aluminum. And you can strip aluminum, just so you know. Just so you know. Tell them, Shane. So don't use the impact. What? Yeah, it's gonna spin on me. But you know what? It won't if you hold the brake. It's time for the wheel! Is this gonna fit?
Perhaps.
You know, if we bought 5 lug rims, is this the one you want for the front? It looks pretty good.
That's it. That's the one that don't work.
Okay. You wanna help me lift? These are heavy.
We need a light somehow.
And we need a lot. We need a hope. We need a dream.
There's 2 other people out here.
Yeah. We need lights that go on the head. I got.
You want to hold this? I'll get the lamp.
Okay then. Tuck you to these. You bet got it. It's right in there, Shane. Yep, that's one. Oh, it is.
I'll need the small lug nuts for the rims too.
Are we?
Yeah.
So we are using smaller lug nuts now, ain't we, Shane?
Yeah.
Because the stock ones will not work with these rims. Oh, it's gonna be one of them pains. What's that chrome socket?
Chrome socket.
Yep, oh, we need a small one. We can check outside too for some more lug nuts in my garage and stuff. Never know, we might find something. Oops. Gonna be close, Shane. You wanna cut it? We might have to be sawing. Yeah, cut them that way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Woo! Woo! That's close. Go ahead. Turn them back. Okay. Hold it. Whoa. Okay. Do it again. Okay, cut them deep. Woo. Go ahead. Turn them back. Wow. Keep going. We have to knock that in. I said we have to, come here, I'll show you. We have to take something and roll this edge. This edge here,
Yeah.
we gotta roll this edge back. And this, I'll let you watch it. This thing does got torsions, don't it?
Yeah.
No, it don't. Nope. I don't see a torsion bar. Double check. It's windy, I'm telling you. It's very windy. And a smaller tire, or we can lift it. It's up to you, Shane. You're gonna have suspension travel that's gonna dig into them tires. So hopefully we have more content coming soon. We just wanted to show you how we installed these 6-lug spacers and what it's going to look like on the Suburban. It's windy. We're going to try to get this finished up. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button and be sure to drop a like and leave a comment.